everyone. So I am Shruti Oja and I am again back with a very nice and interesting trick that how to learn the bones of the upper limb. By this series I will cover the bones of the whole skeleton. So first of all, let's start with the upper limb trick. So here we are having the humerus, the ulna, radius, carpal, metacarpal and phalanges. The carpal is of the wrist, and the metacarpal, these are the metacarpals of the palm, and these are the phalanges, the fingers. And humerus is the upper one, and the ulna and radius I'm having. If we stand in anatomical position, that is, when you can see it here also, the anatomical position. So the bone which is on the inner side in the lower limb, like we can say the upper limb, the lower part, this part, we can say the forearm. This is the forearm. So the bone on that we can say inner side is the ulna, and the bone on the outer side, that is the outer radius, is the radius. I can say my head is here in respect to this. My head and the whole body is on this side. I mean, it will be on this side, that is the inner side. So what is the trick? How to learn these bones? Sometimes we get confused in where is ulna and where is the radius, and carpal, metacarpal, phalanges order also. So the trick is हम अंदर रहते कोविड में forever. So हम अंदर रहते कोविड में forever. हम humerus is the first one. Under is the under wali side, that is under side, right? That is the ulna. रहते radius, and then covid में, covid is the like C carpals, and may metacarpal, and forever phalanges. I hope this trick will help you a lot to memorize the sequence as well as the location and position of the bones, because here under रहते, under is the inner side, ulna. Okay, so if you like this trick, then do like the video also and subscribe the channel.